Greetings! Who's back? Me. And yeah, it was a cool day. It was a cool adventure again. And overall, pretty hot day. But we came into a storm, so I had to um, make a cut on this day. So it isn't as long as usual, but I think it's okay. Let's try it a little bit shorter this time, and you will tell me if you like or not. And yeah, it was tremendous. Don't go anywhere. I found a lot of great stuff, and we have one big thing, and yeah, I'm glad to share with you. So stay tuned, and yeah, we see us after the intro at the first single. See you, seekers. We see us later.
Here we have our first signal. It was a 20, or our first find, and we have such a great thing. A small Jesus, a small crucifix. Amazing. I think one for the studio. You see us there. Yeah, first signal. Imagine that. Crazy.
So, here we have small little Jesus guy. Yes, it's a crucifix. Um, Pretty small one, if you ask me. I'm not totally sure why it's so small. Could be because of the degeneration and stuff, so because of all the years in the ground, but I'm not totally sure. Could be that this was small overall, small piece for a woman or for a child. I'm not totally sure. If you know, please let me know in the comments below. Date wise, I would suggest 1700s roundabout. Could be older, could be younger, I'm not totally sure, but mostly um, crosses and holy pendants in this maker's style or maker style are from the 1700s. So yeah, if you know better, please comment below. I would love to read.
So, second signal. It was a 30-35, and I can see it already here. Dug it up, and it's a part of a buckle, as it seems. Yeah, you hear thunder in the background. There's a weather coming, I guess. I mean, I see the clouds and stuff, but I hope it will go only next to me, not here exactly, but we will see. But yeah, part of a buckle. I don't know what kind of buckle, or if it is, but I think because it looks decorated. But we will have take a look in the studio together. So we see us there.
Real quick, here we have what I think is part of a buckle, but I can do a mistake here. I'm not totally sure and convinced. It could also be a drawer handle or something. I don't know exactly. Please tell me in the comments below. It is beautiful decorated, as you can see. The other side is plain, so not necessary to show you, because this side is the interesting one. And overall a cool find. It's out of copper, and if you know what this is, please tell me, please, I want to know. And yeah, we see us at the next one.
So next one, and I think I saw it already here. I don't know if you can see it properly, but I think it's a buckle. Yes, it is. Beautiful one. A beautiful one. That's a cool one. It's decorated too. Amazing. I will show to you in the studio. We see us there.
At that beauty here. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful buckle. I don't know if this is for horses, for shoes. I think it's for horses. I'm not totally convinced yet. It's beautiful, decorated. The other side is plain, so I think it's only necessary to show you the front side. But it's handmade, as you can see, and yeah, date wise also 1700s roundabout. Could be older, could be younger. I'm not an expert, but I think that's a realistic date. I mean, it's 100 years or more than 100 years. I say plus or minus, could be more, I don't know. If you know better, please comment below, but I think in terms of buckles, it's a little bit hard to date them correctly because they were used a whole lot of time and a whole period of time, or a big period of time. So yeah, we never know. Or you know, because you're a buckle expert, please tell me if you are, and if you want to say how old it is, I would be amazed by that. So we see us at the next. お前はもう死んでいる。何? Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. It's you. I thought you were someone else. Sorry.
So here I will do a live dig because the signal is a screamer. 44, 45. It's in coin territory. Well, let's see what we have here. The ground is a little bit tricky to dig today because it's freshly harvested and plowed. I think I see already something. Let's see. It's a coin indeed. I don't know which one. Seems like a Kreuzer 1860, 1861, about this period of time. I'm not totally sure, but could also be Hafenkreuzer from the 1800s. Yeah, could be. I see one, but we will see it in the studio. We see us there. First coin for today.
Of a coin! I couldn't believe that. Amazing. So what we have here, one Kreuzer, 1859. Yes, very usual. Found them a lot, but what I saw now, tell me I'm stupid because I googled this this stuff now. It's a pretty expensive one. I mean, not expensive for a coin, but for such an unusual coin, it's pretty actually expensive. But I think it depends where they made. So I'm not totally sure because I couldn't read it on this coin here. We have one Kreuzer on the front and the double-headed eagle on the back. A little bit hard to read or see. It was from the time period of the Austrian-Hungarian Guldens. It were made from 1857 to 1892. It was a usual coin. The emperor was Franz Joseph I. It was out of copper. And yeah, overall a cool coin, 3.4 grams in total. And yeah, very usual to find these here. I have hundreds of them. But it was cool. The man who made the design was Franz Gohl, and yeah, cool fact. And yeah, cool coin. We see us at the next one.
Standard musket ball. Amazing. I'll have to find these small guys here. Looks fired but not dent at all. I don't know exactly, but cool find. Cool little find. Musket ball. 16, 17, 1800s, round about this period of time. Amazing. We'll see us at the next. It was a 20 and I see it already. It is part of a watchwinder, not complete anymore. I think it's not, it looks very symmetrical, so it could be it is one piece. But indeed, beautiful one. Beautiful, decorated. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Small watchwinder. I think I will show it to you in the studio. We see us there.
So, here we have a small little watchwinder. First I thought it was broken, but I think it should be like this. It looks complete. It's decorated. It looks very beautiful. I think it's the beautifulest watchwinder. No, I had one a little bit more beautiful out of bronze, I think it was. But it's one of the most beautiful watchwinders I've found. So yeah, also out of copper, date wise I also think 1800s roundabout, give or take. I'm not totally sure. If you know better, as always, please tell me in the comments below.
Stable 45. Usually I would guess it's a coin, but I'm not sure here. The sound is a little bit different. Oh, it's a 46, but sounds same. It's a little bit soft in tone, so it's not as attacky as usual, but we will see. 45 and it's out, but could be a coin. I'm not convinced what it could be. Ah, big bada boom. Big bada boom, big bada boom. Black tip, so it's not dangerous. Here you see the remains of the black ink. Big bada boom, caliber 50 round. It's armor pierce ammunition, so it is hardened and goes through tanks or steel plates and stuff. We saw it in the last video, I think. Yes, in the last video I had one. So yeah, it's a cool thing. I will blend it in, because if you're interested in what this is exactly, tune into the last video. I will link you right now, and yeah, there you are informed about this particular bullet. So we see us at the next one. The silver beast has found his prey. I didn't thought it was a silver coin because it was such an, I don't know, bad signal, but it is, as you can see. It's a silver coin. It's a little bit meshed up. Here you can see. I think 1 year longer in the ground and it would be totally destroyed. But amazing. And it's a really old one. It's from 1600s anything. But yes, we will see it in the studio. Silver! Yeah! I can't believe it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Wow! I couldn't believe it. My star find of the show. It's amazing. I mean, yes, it's wounded. It has a crack, but who cares? We found it complete. It is beautiful and it's very rare what I saw. I could not research really much because most of the pages who have this coin, because they have a different mint marks, and the mint marks in this case wasn't only a letter or something, it was the whole back side of the coin, or not the face side, the back side, yes, the back side of the coin. And in this case it was with a Madonna, it is with a Madonna, what means that this coin were made in Pressburg, and it is really expensive. Most of the sites I was researching, they don't list it anywhere. Only one site I could find with this listing, a few auction houses, but particularly right now it's pretty much expensive, to be honest, but not in this state, I think. So I have to give this a little of a repair, and I don't think that this will reach the price, or I will not sell it, but you know what I mean. It's a pretty cool coin, to be honest. I found a few of these, but out of different years, and this one is the oldest one from 1697 and almost 1700s, or almost 1700, because yeah, you know what I mean. What is written on there, on this side where the emperor's face is written HB Rex, what means Habsburg Emperor. Leopold, that's the name of the emperor itself. DVSD, I think that is his number, I don't know exactly. GRI SA is written on there. I could not find anything about it, but please tell me if you know, that I can tell it next time. And on the back side it is written Hungaria, 1697, and Patrona, what I think because of the sorry, I have to turn it around, because of the Madonna. She was named Patrona because of her protecting status or something. I don't know exactly. I think Jesus is on there too. I'm not totally sure, but could be that there are only the emperor's things, like the spear and the emperor's apple and stuff like that, but I'm not totally sure. In this case, a pretty beautiful coin. It is very cool, from the design itself, and in a pretty good state, because you can read everything, you can see everything. The only downside is the crack, but yeah, amazing one. They were made between 1657 and 1705, so pretty amazing coin. And yeah, I hope you like it too. Please tell me in the comments what you think about it. Would be amazing to read. And yeah, we see us at the next.
So we have our next coin. Coin alert, coin alert. It's 1 groschen. 1925, I think I can read. I'm not totally sure. But you will see it in the studio in very nice condition. We see us in the studio.
Oh, 1 coin! Oh, 1 coin! I could not believe it. We found a coin. No, jokes aside, it's a cool coin. 1 groschen, 1925. Sorry, I'm tired today. It was a long day, but yeah, we do it. 1 groschen, 1925, as I said, out of copper, no, bronze. It's a bronze coin. I'm totally sorry, it's a bronze coin. Were made between 1925 and 1938, so this was the first year they were made. And yeah, it has a weight from 1.6 grams, 70 millimeters in diameter, and yeah, it has an eagle on the back side, as you all can see right now, if you can see, because it's not in the best state. I have to clean it first, or clean it more properly. I do clean it with water now, not more or less. And yeah, it's an Austrian usual coin, and yeah, nothing more to say about it, rather than I love to find these. That's a fact. But yeah, we found them a lot, and I think we will find them a lot. But it's a cool coin overall, and yeah, we see us at the next one.
Next one, next musket ball. Cool, I didn't found one in a while, and now 2 on 1 day. Very amazing. Like to find these. We see us at the next one. Nothing special at all, but a small piece of Makro. I thought I want to show it to you for completeness, because it's interesting. It's decorated a little bit. I blended in for you. Date wise, I don't know, 1700s, give or take. I don't know exactly, but yeah, amazing, amazing. We see us at the next. Small lady led bottle. Cool. Very unusual size. I don't know if it is decorated, but you will see it already on the screen. I will blend it in for you. But yeah, it's amazing. Cool little find. I love to find buttons. We see us at the next.
So here we are. That's it with the video. I hope you liked what you see. This time I tried to talk a little bit less, because I wanted to keep the time down a little bit more. I don't know if it is necessary or not. You will tell me. I will see it in the views or something else, or not. I don't know. I will try every video something new or not. It's an experiment, so we will see how it turns out, how you will like it. I like it anyways because it makes nothing different, but have less work or something. I don't know. Overall, I'm pretty amazed by how it turned out with the discoveries today, as you can see. If you have any questions, suggestions, things you want to tell me, share, or something else, please feel free to reach out to me. I have Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok too, so you can reach out on the other sites per direct message or something if you want to do that. If not, please feel free to comment below. I'm amazed about every comment. I'm totally love to reply on that things you want to share, you want to tell me, or you want to say to me. And yeah, like I said, I hope you like what you see. If you do so, please feel free to like, comment, and share. Subscription would be nice if you're not done already. And yeah, as always, we see you seekers. Have nice finds and happy hunting. We see us next time. Bye bye.